Okay, this is about 10 o'clock-ish, 10:30. Getting not close to whiteout, but it's pretty bad. Let's step out here. Really bad snow. The wind has died down just a little bit. Of course, I'm standing in the building too, so I'm looking across the street. I don't know if you can see this on the video, but watching the snow pass by the apartments in the distance, it's something else. So I just saw a guy walking out in this. He was having a hell of a time. Cars are going really slow because the roads are horrible. Maybe it's a good time to pray for those out on the road. There's quite a few people I've noticed out on the road. Let's do a quick Hail Mary, alright? Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with thee. Blessed art thou among women, blessed is the fruit of thy womb, Jesus. Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners, now at the hour of our death. Amen. Let's do St. Michael. St. Michael the Archangel, defend us in battle. Be our protection against the wickedness and snares of the devil. May God rebuke him as we humbly pray. O do thou, Prince of the heavenly host, by the power of God, cast into hell Satan and all the evil spirits that prowl about the world, seeking the ruin of souls. Amen. The peak of this is supposed to be about 3 in the afternoon. We're still not even on the noon hour yet, so y'all be careful out there. I'll keep trying to update this as long as we have power. Our power has been flickering, so be careful. Make sure you have candles. Make sure you have everything possible. Flashlights. Make sure you have food ready to go. If you need to cook dinner, I would cook it early. Something that you could eat cold. Pizza's a good one. Try not to order pizza. These people are closing their businesses as many as possible. So, wow, look at that. It's crazy. This is really bad. The driving conditions are already horrible. People are doing it. They're out there. Oh, big gust of wind. That's enough for me. Yeah, a little golf cart trying to go through for the apartment. So if you're at work, go home. There's no point in being out in this. Anyway. Oh, and the wind's picking up pretty hard. Oh, man. Be careful, guys. It's a nasty one today. I'll shoot another video later. Hopefully we have power that I can actually upload it. Hopefully we have cell phone signal. But make sure you keep all your cell phone batteries charged in case of emergencies. Do everything you can to maintain everything. Alright, bye.